right, folks, I'm heading back in. Today was a good day, as Ice Cube would say. So yeah, I'm gonna record this as a little bit of an intro. So what we did today was launched at Tidelands Park, fished the general Coronado Bridge area, grass flats behind me, deeper channel over there, and I found some success today in spots that I hadn't really fished before. So I think the total spotty count was 15 or 16, so I actually got on quite a few fish, most of them pretty small. One was nearly 15 inches, so that was a nice big boy. So I want to let you guys know that today's a fun session. Please stick around, but I think you'll find some of my tips useful, hopefully. And as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fishing videos. I've been trying to ramp it up, get editing faster. I like making music, so I make music for all my videos. Sometimes that's what's holding me up, but yeah, stick around and we're gonna get into some fish. Cheers.
Welcome to Harris Does Fishing, the YouTube channel where Harris does fishing. Earlier that very same day,
safety first. It's warming up out here. When I first pulled up in the parking lot, my car said it was 42 degrees. And I'll remind folks, I'm in San Diego, California. Pretty cold. But right here, right now, it's beautiful. Oh, let's talk tide, right? That's what you guys are probably wondering. It's, what time is it? About 8 a.m. Low tide is at 9:26 a.m., I believe. And so yeah, I'll be fishing a low slack tide kind of soon. I'm definitely getting to work out. Little break, cast. Whew. Ah, man. Oh. Got a little nibble, guys. Oh, fuck off, bro. Yeah. How's it going? Hi. I can't be right here?
Yeah, a little bit close to the barrier.
How far?
Down a little bit.
How far? Should
100 yards.
100 yards? All right. Yeah, I got a fish on it. My line is so tangled in my rod. This is great timing. Can I fix this while he's on it? No, I can't, of course. It's actually twisted. Whew, spotty number 1 of the day. I'm recording, beautiful. Cheers. All right, so I don't know. I think that was my first cast with this chartreuse. I don't know what it's called in hookup baits language. I think, Glow Green. Glow Green, first cast, first spotty of the day. Got another spotty. A couple casts later, about a minute or two later after that first one, so seems like they're chilling here. Another white belly. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate the effort you're putting in for me. Look at these spotties, man. So hospitable. They're showing me a good time. They know I'm out here fishing. They know I suck at fishing, so they actually feel bad for me. And man, I appreciate that. Love you, spotties. San Diego Bay spotties are just so nice. They take pity upon bad fishermen like me. And man, shout out to all the spotties watching. Yeah, both times I'm in 40 feet of water, so it was like I got the bite after it hit bottom, and I started retrieving. As soon as I started retrieving, it was perfect. Are these gonna come up and yell at me again? little guy. Hi, buddy. Another spotty. Number 3. I'm on battery. Running out. Gotta switch battery in a second, but another one. 2 casts in a row. He's heating up. Woo! And another one. You really just love to see it, buddy. Will you let go? All right, another one. Cheers, buddy. Yeah, I'm still in this general little area that I've been catching the last 4 fish in. And I can't remember if I've said it yet, but it's about 41 to 42 feet deep. No structure at all, really. It's a very flat bottom, but clearly there's some spotties. It doesn't feel like there's eelgrass down there. It feels relatively smooth down there, sandy. So, I don't know. We'll see. I was gonna head over to the bridge, but these spotties started letting me. Every cast. Wow. This one, it was on the drop. It was probably, I'm guessing, you know, 30 feet. It was on its way closer to the bottom, but hadn't hit yet. So they're in that, you know, lower 10 feet zone. That's spotty number 5. They've all been pretty small. This is probably the smallest yet, though. Hey, little buddy. Cheers. Just turned my camera off. I was messing with my GPS on my fish finder and tossed a line out. Oh, I think he just got off. Yeah, weird. Okay, that makes sense because I wasn't really holding the rod, didn't really set the hook when he got. As soon as I clicked my line in and started putting tension on it, I had one on, so that makes sense. Yeah, I think that would have been number 9. Yeah, number 9. I've had actually a couple bites that turned into nothing. Like this. Keep a lot of tension on it. I want to drag up because I don't want to lose this buddy. Yeah, they've all been around this size. I mean, a little bigger than this. It's on the smaller end, but nothing, I don't think anything legal yet. Anything of 14 inches or more. So that's kind of interesting. Oh man, you got hooked on the nose. Sorry, buddy. Cheers. felt like a bait fish was on. The bite was like so subtle. Might have been just a tiny spotty, but I lost him nonetheless. I'm on again. Let's call it 10. Sorry, dude. What do you know? I am tangled up in blue. Alright, there we go. Caught on my Obi. On the bottom now. There he goes. God, this one made me work for it. I knew it was a little guy because he just kept getting off sexually. I'm like, dude, stop getting off. Get on. Shit. Thanks, little buddy. So that was spotty numero 11. 11 spotties. I'm drifting. I just set here's a little tip for you guys. If you're like me, you don't want to deal with an anchor out here, but you're on a kayak, you find a good spot. I mean, especially if there's structure, you don't want to keep getting off of it. So just set a waypoint and just keep your GPS view up, and then you know, it's not like you need the fish finder if you're already in an area you know well and you know there are fish. You know, I have like just the basic bitch Garmin, and it'll, you know, you can keep the waypoint route view up, see that little checkered flag, and you still get to see depth and everything like that. So speed, depth. Maybe something bigger? I don't know, probably not. Okay, Floppy, we got you. Number 12. There he goes. Go grow to something bigger, bro. Hit the gym or something at least. Wimpy spotties. This guy's tiny. Oh, you just get like fish slime into my coffee? You little shit. Thanks, dude. Fighter, fighter. We got a biter, we got a fighter. Feels bigger than I've gotten earlier today. Could be the biggest all day. We'll see. Hey, decent sized spotty. He's all wrapped up. Nice sized spotty, actually. Let's get up to the way of this. What's up, big fella? What up, big fella? Am I recording? I am recording. Let's see what you're looking like lengthwise. Oh yeah, he's like almost 15. Let's see if I can get him to calm down. Actually get a proper measure in here. All right. So we got a 14.75. Not bad. Spotty number 15 of the day. First one that's decent size is 14.75. Let's get a little water release with this guy. Woo! Woo! Would you look at that? Oh, it's sick. Nice spotty. All right. I think that's spotty number 16. On my way out. Pretty good size.